Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, please make yourself comfortable and also comment hello, say hello to me in the comment section. So in this video I'll be showing you how I painted my corner in the house where I shoot all of my videos. So this is a roller brush that I'm holding. As you can see, it is very handy, and also I'm using this brush. It's called Pure Bristles and it's a 3 inches brush. I'm using this for the corners, so to paint the corners. So this is the paint I'll be using. It's called Precious Paint. It's a high quality emulsion. It's colored white. It's called Brilliant White. So let me just show you the inside of the paint, how it looks. I've used out of this paint before, so I'm just going to take out of this to paint the corner. Yeah, so I'll just mix this with water and that's all. At this point, I'd like to mention that if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. So guys, meet my sister. She did majority of the work. She painted the wall while I painted the edges, the corners, where the roller brush couldn't get to. I used the small brush to paint it, as you can see. So this is how you're going to do it. If you don't know how to paint before, it's very, very easy. I had no prior knowledge how to paint. Please don't try this. So this is the second layer. We just leave this to dry. And I'll show you how it looks afterwards. Guys, this is how it looks after it is dried. You can see how beautiful it is. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this, please click on the subscribe button and also ring the notification bell. Bye.